Guys, let's talk just a minute about cleaning up the front part of this house, which has got a lot of salad spinach and these snow peas or sugar snap peas. They're kind of a mixture of both. Really are starting to die out. I see 1, 2 spots on here that have a little bit of growth, and I believe that that is it, because it is too hot. It was almost 100 a couple days ago, and it's just way too hot for them. So what I need to do is come out here and rip these up, and then I want to condense and move some of the garlic and onion chives you can see under there, and maybe put it more in this corner. You can see the sunflower is not looking so hot, so I probably need to get that out of there. Also, since it was so hot, the spinach has already started to bolt, and some of these leaves look a little sun-scalded. The cilantro here is doing great. The green onions, well, not as good as in the backyard, but we'll keep them. More spinach. Here is some spinach here I'm trying to space out and have look real nice. From the oak leaf, loose leaf, to right here, this is all that loose leaf mix that has now gone bitter, so I need to rip that out. From here onto here is all of that beautiful all year round and that French variety, which I did a video on. You guys know I cannot pronounce it. That's still going and flowing, loving that. Probably just need to weed around it a little bit. And here we have the butter peas that are doing magnificently. Now, here's the other thing that I need to tend to. I've got 2 patches of cilantro. Beautiful. Look at this one. This is in the best part. This is one of the best spots in the yard. But the stems on this cilantro are crazy huge. So what I need to do is come out here and cut this. And I will cut it all the way down to the stem, probably about right here. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to freeze it, because those stems are cilantro. They taste just like cilantro when you put them into your NutriBullet. And then I can make lovely little sauces. I can flavor rice with it. I can make some homemade tamale sauce. Any type of Mexican type bake that I need a little sauce for, I can use that. And just pull it out in the winter when I need it. My pots here are looking pretty good. Oh, and I've got, seems like I've seen some stars. Oh yeah, look, some little buds right there. Super excited about that. And these are the same things over here. I've just flanked them both on the same side for symmetry. And look at what I've seen today. So excited. Do you see that? Little pumpkins. Another little pumpkin here. These are the mini pumpkins. Sunflowers are doing great. And my zucchini right here will fill out just like these mini pumpkins, to where you hopefully will not really see the weeds here. So these are my projects for the next couple of days. Thank you so much. Love you. Please subscribe.